If you are new to crypto and would like to know if you can send BTC to Metamask or would like to create a Bitcoin wallet, this guide is for you. Metamask is an EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, compatible wallet, meaning Bitcoin is not directly supported on the Ethereum network. However, there's WBTC, which stands for Wrapped Bitcoin on the Ethereum network. This video is sponsored by MyCryptoView Multisender, a tool that lets you send crypto, including airdrops, to multiple addresses in one transaction at a low cost. Check it out via the link in this video description. Now, let's continue. WBTC is an ERC-20 token of Bitcoin that represents 1-to-1 Bitcoin on the Ethereum network. If you want to add Bitcoin to Metamask, you can only add WBTC, the ERC-20 token of Bitcoin, to Metamask. Note: you cannot directly send Bitcoin to Metamask. Sending Bitcoin to Metamask or sending WBTC to the Bitcoin network would result in loss of funds. Now that we've got all the important information out of the way, you can follow the steps in this video to create your Bitcoin wallet. We strongly recommend getting a hardware wallet such as Ledger Nano if planning to hold a reasonable amount of Bitcoin. Step 1. Go to the Exodus website via the link in this video description. Step 2. Scroll down and click the Download Exodus button. Step 3. Click the Install for Chrome and Brave button. Step 4. Click the Add to Chrome button. Step 5. Click the Exodus Chrome icon on your browser. Step 6. Click the Create New Wallet button. Step 7. Create a password and keep it safe. It is always recommended not to store your password on your laptop desktop. Step 8. Enter the password that was created in Step 7. Step 9. Click the Continue button. Step 10. Click the Receive button. Step 11. Select BTC. Step 12. Copy your BTC address and start sending BTC to your wallet. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.